Today, we're doing a special video on this 2021 wide body Hellcat Redeye. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
What's up, guys? It's Treysellcars back with another video. Here we're straight out of content, Carl. This is the first 2021 Redeye wide body Charger. It is here, 797 horsepower. Y'all come take a look at it. This is a huge question right now. This hood. This is a factory hood, guys. This came from FCA factory itself, guys. This is a factory hood. Check it out.
And it's functional.
Correct.
These vents are functional.
Yeah, everything is functional on this hood right here. As you can also see, you got the badging here also. Yeah, this is straight from the factory, guys. FCA. Got the K&E air intake here. This actually came with the car, guys. This thing is bigger than my head. It came with the car.
Guys, this thing is amazing. And right now, you can only get it at River Oaks, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Come see Trey. Come see Trey. It's the only place.
This one right here, guys, actually, this one is a order unit for a customer. The customer reached out to me. He was like, hey, Trey, look, I'm interested in this car. I was like, all right, cool. So we got together, we built it up on the computer, we spec'd it out just exactly how he wanted it. Okay, so this one doesn't come with a sunroof. He didn't want a sunroof, so I was like, okay, cool. But he did wanted the Harman Kardon speakers in it. He wanted all the Laguna leather seats and all that stuff. So I made sure I got it right. Got the carbon fiber in there and everything, and he ordered it, no addendum, and he was gone. So
let's go ahead and see what other nuances that the 2021 Charger wide body Hellcat Redeye comes with versus the 2020. Let's go ahead and check that out.
So guys, this is a new feature that I noticed on the 2021s compared to the 2020s. So SRT is now on the Brembo, guys. SRT is now on the Brembo. So instead of having Brembo right across, it'll have SRT. So it actually comes with the brake pads and the rotors. So it's like a Brembo package. The brake pads and the rotors are a Brembo package on here. So that's a pretty cool feature on here. Of course, you see the Redeye here.
It's not official if the eye ain't red.
It's not official if the eye isn't red. That is true. So we have the Harman Kardon audio system in this one. He did order the Harman Kardon audio unit. So that's pretty much a premium audio system here. Oh, excuse me, guys. And then we have the Laguna leather seats here. So these are ventilated and these are heated. So that's another plus. And then you got the carbon fiber interior here.
Carbon fiber trim around the radio. What size screen is that?
That's a 10-inch.
Okay, another 10-inch screen. Okay, so this is basically standard in.
Correct. Okay. That's going to be standard now. That's going to be standard in the Scats as well.
Okay.
Yeah. It's going to be standard in the Scats. 220 on the dash, guys. 220 on the dash.
Let's go ahead and check that out.
220 on the dash, y'all. Check it out. Crazy, huh? This is another cool thing that I like here, Carl. This performance package here. This is pretty neat here. Actually get a race countdown. You get the battery status here. Let's see. Got it? Yeah. Performance pages are loading. So this is one of my favorite features right here.
Does this car come with an app?
This one does, yeah. It comes with the Uconnect. Wow. Yeah. It comes with the Uconnect app, and you can download it, and you actually see everything on here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it has GPS and everything on this one here, so you get to see the gauge. So this is the engine here. Let's rev it up a little bit.
Oh, you can hear the intake.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
G-force. Dyno.
That's live.
That's live. Got the timers here. Gauges.
Wow. It's basically a race car.
Coolant temp, yeah. They got the battery volts, got the oil pressure, oil temp. So yeah, it's basically like a race car. That's crazy.
Wow. Any other features? I'm looking at this SRT launch.
Yeah, so we got the SRT launch here. Let's see. So this is the SRT launch. Okay. Shift light, chiller.
Oh, so this is for drag racing.
Yes, and then let's put it in.
This thing is everything.
boy. So we got the track here, sports. Transmission paddle shifter. Oh, wow.
Have you seen this in the 2020?
No, not at all.
So all these are new features for 2021?
The performance page is a new feature for 2021, correct.
Wow. Guys, I think you got to turn in your 2020. I think it's time to trade in your 2020.
Oh, wow.
And get this 2021.
Yo, this is crazy. Launch control. Yeah, this is crazy.
There's too many features, basically. What is a chiller ready?
Air conditioning not available while chiller feature is active. Intercooling, cooling to be received.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a lot of more things. Hey guys, it's a lot of more things I need to figure out on this car, okay? So we'll be dropping some content once we definitely figure out exactly what's what on these performance pages. So as you can see, it's been a lot of add-ons compared to the 2020. So I'm pretty excited about what FCA is doing. So yeah, y'all follow me on Instagram at Treysellcars. Subscribe to my channel, Treysellcars. So I'm trying to get those subscribers so I can be able to change the URL on my page. So y'all bear with me, keep following me, keep subscribing. I bet the content is going to get better as we go along. So shout out to Straight Outta Content, Carl over at Straight Outta Content, been helping me out with this, so I really appreciate that. So yeah, guys, this is the only 2020 wide body red eye Hellcat that is here in Houston. So y'all reach out to me. Let's see what we can do for y'all.
What's the MSRP?
MSRP on this one is,
no, we like to go over the numbers.
$86,880.
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad.
And you get your $1,000 discount.
And you get the $1,000 discount. Okay.
Remember,
you gotta come to me, but you gotta ask Carl though.
All right, guys, this thing is amazing. We've seen some features in this car that. This thing is amazing. We've seen some features in this car that I've never seen before. He's been doing this for a very long time. He hasn't seen it.
So the 14th will make a year. Prior to that, I've always been a Mopar lover, and I've never seen anything like this. Yeah.
Anybody who has a 2020, 19, 18, 17, or 16, you guys got to come get this 2021. Trade in yours. You guys do trade-ins?
Yes, we do. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, come and trade it in. Get this new 2021, and yeah, make sure you hit up my man Trey. For all you people out there, make sure you use the Straight Outta Content or call discount. And yeah, we're gonna have Trey take it out. Let's do it.
Peace, guys. Y'all reach out to me. I have nothing more to say. Red keys, guys. Red key gang.